This next song is called Home Sweet Home, and it's about refugees and wars in the world. And I wrote this when the Ukrainian war was happening. And I just think it's a very important topic that I think should have a lot of awareness for, and I'm so glad that it does have awareness. So yeah, this is called Home Sweet Home. I hope you enjoy. Abandoned books, jumping plants, the curtains are kept drawn to keep it dark. Huddled in the corner, the family sits, trembling in terror, waiting for life to call it quits. The gun is fired, a warning of strife. The children grab their favorite toys and then they run for their life. The journey of despair, fighting through the world, desperate to find a safe somewhere. Oh no, 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 the cracks and the crumbles of this road. The only thing they're looking for is a sweet home, sweet home, home, sweet home, home to find their home, sweet home. Capsizing boats an inch far of caught. The icy choppy waves tempted to meet us up. Frostbite on our bones, teeth chattering in the wind. A baby crying for them all, but she died in human sin. The journey of despair, fighting through the wild, desperate to find a safe somewhere. Oh no, 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 the cracks and the crumbles of this road. The only thing they're looking for is a sweet home, sweet home, sweet home. Let him go. What if your spirit's trying to find a ray of sunshine full of hope, hope to find a home, sweet home. And when I say home, I'm in a place of belonging, where they won't get kicked out or forced to start running. Cause boy, they've done some running. Just a place that is safe, where they can be at peace. At the end of the chase, where they can release. Please let them release. A journey of despair, fighting through the wild, desperate to find a safe somewhere. Oh no, 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 the cracks and the crumbles of this road. The only thing they're looking for is a sweet home, sweet home, sweet home. Let him go. What if your spirit's trying to find a ray of sunshine full of hope, hope, hope to find their home, sweet home. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you enjoyed my music, you can stream both those songs and another one on all streaming platforms at Tyla Marilyn. I'm also available on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook if you want to follow me, and I also have a YouTube channel which I'm going to which I've started posting more content on. So if you like my music, please subscribe and follow me and stream my music. It would be great help. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. My name is Tyla Marilyn, and have a lovely evening.